What if I told you the simple green roti that could help boost your immunity, support digestion, and energize your day all without a single grain of wheat? Welcome to Parna Garden. In this episode of our Farm to Table series, I'm making something that looks ordinary but hides a powerful secret. I'm sharing a roti recipe you have never seen before with a surprising ingredient that's been used for centuries but rarely like this. Let's dive into the magic of Moringa Jowar roti. But we warned, this might just replace your regular chapati for good. Jowar or sorghum is a gluten-free millet rich in fiber, protein, and antioxidants, known to aid digestion, regulate blood sugar, and support heart health. It is a great alternative for people allergic to gluten. Moringa is a nutrient-dense superfood packed with antioxidants, vitamins A, B, C, and minerals like calcium, potassium, iron, magnesium, and phosphorus. And that helps to boost immunity, reduce inflammation, and support overall health. I harvested these moringa leaves from our backyard and washed them using water. Next, separate the individual leaflets from the stalk. Watch this video till the end to see how these leaves will be used in the roti preparation. Some of my friends ask me, as jowar does not have gluten, how does the dough bind? And how does your jowar roti become soft? Here are 4 tips to make soft jowar rotis. Add jowar flour to hot water and mix well. This helps gelatinize the starch, making the dough more pliable and the rotis softer. Second, knead well and quickly while the dough is warm, and use your hands, be careful with the heat, to make it smooth. Jowar dough tends to stiffen as it cools. Third, don't let the dough rest too long and start preparing the rotis within 2 to 5 minutes after making the dough. Keep the dough covered all along. After cooking, place the rotis in a cloth-lined container or hot box and cover tightly. This helps trap steam, keeping the rotis soft. After separating all the moringa leaves from their stalk, chop them finely. Go over the leaves multiple times to make sure you chop all the leaves. The finer the leaves are, the easier it becomes to roll the rotis, as these moringa leaves will be mixed with the jowar flour. A large pile of leaves become a small heap after they are finely chopped. And here's the final result. I'm making 4 moringa jowar rotis using 3/4 cups of jowar flour and an equal amount of water. Heat 3/4 cups of water in a pan and add jowar flour. Mix them well using a spoon or a spatula. Turn off the gas and add 1/4 teaspoon salt and mix some more. Keep it covered for about 4 to 5 minutes or until it turns warm. Combine the warm jowar flour and chopped moringa leaves in a mixing bowl and knead well to make a smooth dough. If the dough is hard, add some warm water to make it soft and knead again. Kneading the dough helps to make the roti softer. Once you achieve the desired consistency, keep it covered for 2 minutes. Open the cover and knead the dough once again. Then divide the dough into 4 equal portions and roll each into a ball. Keep them covered to prevent drying. Take one dough ball, dip it in jowar flour and lightly dust the roti pad with some more flour. Place the dough ball on the pad and gently flatten it by patting it down with your palm. Once the dough is flattened by hand, use a rolling pin to gently roll it out to its full thin size. While preparing the roti, preheat a cast iron tawa. Place the rolled roti onto the hot tawa and let it cook. If there is excess jowar flour on the surface, lightly smear it with water to prevent dryness. Cook the roti for about a minute or two and then flip it to cook the other side. Add a touch of desi ghee or use coconut oil if you prefer vegan option. While jowar is high in fiber and nutrients, it's naturally low in fat. Adding healthy fats like ghee or coconut oil not only enhances the flavor but also helps your body absorb fat-soluble vitamins in jowar. That's a delicious and healthy Moringa jowar roti. After cooking each roti, wipe the tawa to remove any burnt jowar flour before placing the next one. You can enjoy Moringa jowar roti with any side dish of your choice. By following the steps and tips in this video, you will be able to make soft, healthy and flavorful rotis every time. Please like, share, subscribe and hit the bell icon for more such videos. Thank you for watching.